Alright, before we go to the event, we have a special friend. His name is John. Today is his birthday. So we're gonna wish him birthday. We're gonna sing for him. We have a big cake you guys can eat and join after we done with this. He brought some pizza for you guys. Are you guys excited for pizza? Yeah! I know.
Hello guys, this is the place we are bringing our kids for the children activities here at the lake. So it's gonna be a good day to see the children having good activities with beautiful and spectacular landscape. With a lot of fun the kids bring with each other. Their moments of brilliant activities and coming out with excellent, beautiful scenery and showing up their fabulous play games in this video. So this video is all about the children who live here in Arizona for their Sunday school class, coming out their outdoor activities group here at the beautiful lake. Alright guys, so let's check out this video and we hope you enjoy the video with the beautiful children participating with their moment of life. You guys will see the children doing something in this video with their happy, enjoyable moment of their lives. Okay, let's watch all together.
Alright. Are we ready to sing? Alright, let's sing it together. together. Happy birthday to you. Ta ta ta. Happy birthday to you. Ta ta ta. Happy birthday to you. God bless you always. May God bless you always. May God bless you forever. May God bless you always. With a long life. Happy long life to you. You want to have a long life, right? Happy long life to you. Happy long life. Blow it. Yeah, blow it. Yeah. Now, we're gonna have Mr. Adam pray for him, for the food, and for all of us. So I need you to join us in prayer. What do we do in prayer? Close our eyes, okay? So we're gonna close our eyes and we're gonna pray together, okay? All right, let's pray. Heavenly Father, we thank you for the wonderful thank you for the single life of all. We have spent a lot of time preparing for this, and in addition to this excavation, we have a special celebration. John is turning 7, and we're thankful that you give us in this spiritual family, and we pray for his mom and dad, so that you can give them the wisdom to look after him and to raise him so that he grow up to know you. Filled with the wisdom from God, and you will grow up just like Jesus did, beautiful and handsome in the eyes of man and God. And we're thankful for the freshmen here that we're going to soon, and we're grateful for this wonderful life that we've given while many of our brothers, friends, but nevertheless, for this moment with each other for the rare opportunity on this pandemic. We'll make the best of it and bring closer to each other, fellowshipping with one another so that we may grow in spirit and together in harmony and unity within your church. And that's wonderful. That's the time that we are here to sing. Alright guys, if you want pizza, line up. We need to line up, okay? We're gonna get pizza together. Alright, can we line up? Asian girl. Can I get you pizza? Yeah. Come closer. Look. Yeah. And I'm sorry, parents. We only have extra, okay? Oh, okay. All right. So while the kids are eating, we have a form, a permission form that we need parents to sign up. So we're gonna have what is now? Oh, you want? Okay. Okay, so we're gonna fill out the form, okay? If you bring your kids, please bring with Allah or someone else. We're gonna fill out the form for the parents. Allah, okay, Allah, right. Hey Zoe, y'all want to know who you Alright, Panapa, happily. If you want pizza, my friend, parents. Oh, guys, if you got your pizza, don't throw away your pizza, okay? Thank you.
Does anybody think that they have memorized the English one? Oh, Maria? You want to try reading it by yourself? Okay. Well, very loud, okay? Guys, be quiet. Miriam is going to read the Bible verse.
My help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. Has
Somebody read the Quran. Somebody. Fakir, can you read the Quran?
No.
Everybody.
How about the parent?
I'm English.
Yeah, I'm
Mama muy.
Okay, so can you guys? Okay, now we just finished Adventure 2. Let's clap for ourselves. Okay, so right now we're moving on to Adventure 3. So we finished Adventure 1 and 2, and now we're going to Adventure 3. So you see in Adventure 3, it has the question, how many years in the future are we? Go ahead and answer that question. Is it the answer A, B, C, or D? Alright, good job. Woo! So smart. Okay, so right now, we all know that Moses was living with the royal family because the Pharaoh's daughter picked him up. But something very bad happened, and now Moses is living with his biological family. That means his blood family. So Moses is living with the Israelites again because Moses and the Pharaoh got into a fight. So let me explain to you what happened. So we all know that the Israelites are slaves, right? Do you guys know what slaves are? So a slave is a person who works, but they don't get a salary, they don't get money, they don't get paid. So all they do is work for no reason. So the Israelites were slaves to the Egyptians. And there was an Egyptian guard that killed an Israelite because he wasn't doing his job correctly. That's how mean and scary the Egyptians are. So So Moses saw that there was an Egyptian who killed an Israelite, and he killed the Egyptian who killed that Israelite. So Moses and the Pharaoh got into a fight, and Moses got kicked out of the royal family, and he was now living with the Israelites. So it says, why was Moses living with the Israelites instead of with the Pharaoh? So do you guys have an idea of what that answer might be?
No.
So go ahead and fill it out, and then I'll ask you guys if you can look. So why was Moses living with the Israelites instead of with the Pharaoh? He told me just so the Pharaoh kicked him out. So Pharaoh, wait, what did you say to Moses? You said when.
Get out, Moses! I don't want you in my land.
Yeah. He killed someone.
Let's meet Moses, who lived in the palace of Pharaoh. Moses did something bad, and it was a big uh-oh. So Moses ran far, far away. The people of Israel were stuck working all day. Moses was tending his sheep when he heard his name. God spoke to him through a bush that was burning up in flames. God had a great plan, but Moses said, no way, you've got the wrong man. God let Moses' brother speak on his behalf, and the two went to the Pharaoh, each carrying a staff. They were told Pharaoh to let God's people go, but the Pharaoh told them, no, no, no. God sent plagues to the land and to the skies, frogs and bugs and hail and even some pesky flies. After many days of this, the Egyptians were sad. Pharaoh said, get out of here, and the Israelites were glad. Moses and the Israelites left Egypt behind, but then the Pharaoh just up and changed his mind. The Pharaoh chased the Israelites, and they were as scared as could be. But Moses raised his staff, and God parted the Red Sea. All of God's people walked on dry land, and the Israelites went free, just as God had planned.
The evil Pharaoh didn't like the Israelites. He was scared they would grow in size and might, but their growing strength they would destroy by throwing all their baby boys into the river below. The man that one day Pharaoh would fear, free slaves through plagues and see the Lord appear. He'll part the sea right in two, read God's 10 Commandments to Moses, the Hebrew baby boy. He'll part the sea right in two, read God's 10 Commandments to Moses, the Hebrew baby boy. One Hebrew mother could not bear to throw her baby boy in the river below. So she made a basket that could float. It sailed off just like a boat with the baby boy inside. Miriam was the Hebrew woman's daughter, and she watched her brother sail across the water. She followed him down the river, now it came ashore after a while, and then it got caught in some reeds. The man that one day Pharaoh would fear, free slaves through plagues and see the Lord appear. Commandments to Moses, the Hebrew baby boy. He'll part the sea right in two, read God's 10 Commandments to Moses, the Hebrew baby boy. The Pharaoh's daughter was bathing by those reeds. She heard crying and looked at the sea. She saw the baby and she knew the boy inside was a young Hebrew, so she took him from the sea. The man that one day Pharaoh would fear, free slaves through plagues and see the Lord appear. He'll part the sea right in two, read God's 10 Commandments to Moses, the Hebrew baby boy. The princess felt sorry for the baby and said, I'll raise him with the help of a Hebrew lady. She ran to the princess and she said, let me find you a woman instead. Miriam ran off to get her mother. Her mother was overcome with joy to help look after her baby boy. She raised him with the Pharaoh's daughter. His given name meant from the water. His name was Moses. The man that one day Pharaoh would fear, free slaves through plagues and see the Lord appear. He'll part the sea right in two, read God's 10 Commandments to Moses, the Hebrew baby boy. The man that one day Pharaoh would fear, free slaves through plagues and see the Lord appear. He'll part the sea right in two, read God's 10 Commandments to Moses, the Hebrew baby boy. He'll part the sea right in two, read God's 10 Commandments to Moses, the Hebrew baby boy. He'll part the sea right in two, read God's 10 Commandments to Moses, the Hebrew baby boy. He'll part the sea right in two and read God's 10 Commandments to Moses, the Hebrew baby boy.
So we're going to start on it. Yesterday, 3, 2, 1, action, okay? 3, 2, 1, action!
I have seen how my people are being treated badly as slaves in Egypt, and I heard them crying out to me. I want to bring my people out of Egypt into a land rich with milk and honey. I have chosen you, Moses, to go to the king of Egypt and tell him to let my people go. You will lead the people out. Me? I'm not a good leader. I will be with you. When you have brought them out, you will worship God on this mountain.
What if I go to my people and tell them, the God of your father has sent me to you, and they ask me, what is his name? What should I say?
Tell them, I am has sent me to you. Tell the leaders of Israel that I, the Lord, promise to lead them to a new and better land. They will believe you. The king of Egypt won't let you go unless I force him to. So I will have to show the Egyptians some miracles. Finally, he will become angry and send you away.
What if no one will believe me?
Throw down your walking stick.
Whoa! The stick turned into a snake.
Pick it up by the tail. This is so that they may believe that the Lord, the God of the fathers, has appeared to you. Now put your hand inside your shirt. Now see, you now have leprosy. Put your hand inside your shirt again. These miracles will help convince the king that the Lord has indeed sent you. If they do not believe these two signs or listen to you, take some water from the Nile river and pour it on to the dry ground. The water you take from the river will become blood on the ground.
I'm not a good speaker. I'm slow to speak and calm.
I will give you the ability to speak, and I will be with you.
Please, let someone else do it.
All right. What about your brother Aaron? I know he can speak well. He is already on his way to meet you. I will help both of you speak and will teach you what to do.
So did you guys, everybody sit down? I'm gonna go. There was $500. This time we'll have some stuff in here and everything was $500.
Oh, 잠깐. 오케이. 좋아. 오케이. Okay, so
This student always makes the class laugh with his jokes. He always makes us happy when he's excited to answer questions and when he dances very fast. He is also very good at using technology. The award for the funniest student is Hezekiah. This student always puts their best effort when it comes to activities we are doing in class. When it comes to looking up Bible verses or reading plays, he always makes sure to do his best. Even if he doesn't get it the first time, he still makes sure to try his hardest. The student that's getting the award for putting the most effort is John. This student always makes sure to participate in class discussions. I can always rely on them if I need input on the topic we are learning or if nobody else is talking in class. I love hearing her opinions and her cheerful voice. This student is This student always makes sure to attend class every week. He always knows every answer to the questions I have, and I can always rely on him to pray or tell us about the story. This student also got first place in our Moses poetry competition. He makes sure to be kind to all his classmates too. I am very happy to have this student in my class, and his intelligence always amazes me. The student of the month is Matthew.
We have one more activity. Okay, just one more. Please bear with us. After we're done with this, you are free to do whatever you do with your parents. Okay, don't just go run around. If you wanted to swim, make sure your parents take you to swim. Meaning, after we do this activity, you were dismissed from this event. So you can go with your parents or people who you came with to any other places. You can have fun. You can go home anytime you want. That's with you and your parents, all right? After your parents. But before we finish with the last activity, I wanted to invite Ram Kathy to close out with a prayer.
Yes, sir.
You want to do a activity first?
Pray.
Heavenly Father, we are so grateful for the opportunity to learn from Father Faith Moses. And what a faithful servant to us. And we hope and pray that our children will also be obedient to you and know you. And bless them. And then going forward, that they will draw near you, they will know you, and they will serve you. We thank you for your grace. We thank our church, our pastors, our leaders, and our teachers. And may God bless them all. We pray all these things in Jesus' name.
Alright guys, we're gonna do the last activity, okay? But I'm not gonna, I don't forget it. Remember, like, do you guys see somebody's taking pictures and video for you guys? Do you remember that? So we have our church media team, which is our brother Paul and our brother Pochi and Miss Bree. Okay, now we're gonna pay attention to Zoe, please.
Okay, so I made this poster, and in the middle it says, "We are God's children." And I want the kids to come, and I'm gonna paint their hand, and they can put their handprint in my name. I have all different colors, so if you want to do it, just come up here. But you have to be careful not to get any paint on your clothes.
Let's meet Moses, who lived
này Bác lẽ Đỏ khí lỏ Bác lẽ đỏ khí có mô phô Bác lẽ Hey, car Come this way. Alright, let's go. Go that way. Okay, cây nè. Bác lẽ lọ super lẹ pu. Bác lẽ super lẹ pu đó. Bác lẽ đỏ khí bác lẽ đỏ khí. Khí bò. Khí bò lỡ bò lẹ pu nè bác lẽ. Hello, cha. This way. Từ phố nào đây này qua hết đó đun lên này bằng đòn clean a lot all about không đấy thì mẹ hay mẹ clean và các bạn đòi show về cartridge or what cartridge and then cái đồ vậy đó click cái bom po lỏ thế này về hello bác cái đồ click cái bom lên vào hello không what yeah okay somebody take it we cannot go wow yeah okay so beautiful khi là được bỏ đó away này lake Osulazala Arizona away buni la okay what bay wa kale do clean kale do clean ne bale do ngawe clean lo station wala ni talo ta clear du la khi la la do a lot of people coming today. So beautiful lake. See the mountains. The mountains are so gorgeous. And the boats are on the water. So beautiful. Wow. Pag no cleaning. Alright, let's go.
There's an elevator. Upstairs.
Take card.
Hello Lý Hello lơ bỏ lo khi bao đuôi đi qua tao là được không? don't know what to check, but I can't believe. Hey. Over pui lên mà phải không? Check skills, rental skill. Oh, cái mấy ở đây kệ. Hoàng Nga clean mà.
You fall in, mommy have.
Lỡ. Ta luôn này restaurant mà, đã. Sao tao sẽ eat ra đi.
You already got a check.
We're in Scorpion Bay. A lot of hair. Why hang no clean? Clean. Oh, color no do it.
And then see what's there.
Come here, this way. Well, we're gonna go right there. Oh, we're gonna go ask somebody here.
Hey, I'm just gonna hang out here for Coulter, or let's just go.
Come here. Hey, look at me here, babe. Jump in the water. Hey, jump in the water.
See, I'm still here. Just make me wet.
Hey, you want to jump in the water? Yeah.
Oh, daddy.
Ah, look at that guy. Bước lên đầu tiên nào. Bước lên quá clear.
Đây này con đứa đi ra đó.